Good day, my wonderful viewers and subscribers. If you find value in the content I create, consider subscribing to my channel. It's completely free and it shows your support for what I do. Just click that subscribe button and become part of our growing community. So here are some expensive 6 additional strategies you can implement to optimize your brain function and increase your chances of achieving success, just for free. Number 1. Optimize sleep. Optimizing sleep involves prioritizing quality and quantity of sleep to support optimal brain function and overall well-being. To achieve this, establish a consistent sleep schedule that allows for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that promotes a calm and conducive sleep environment, such as dimming lights, avoiding screens, and engaging in soothing activities like reading or listening to calming music. Ensure your sleep environment is comfortable, with a cool, dark, and quiet atmosphere. Avoid stimulants like caffeine and limit alcohol intake, as they can disrupt sleep patterns. By implementing these strategies, you can optimize your sleep and reap the benefits of improved cognitive function, mood, and overall health. Number 2. Regular exercise. Regular exercise plays a crucial role in optimizing brain function and overall well-being. Engaging in physical activity stimulates blood flow to the brain, promoting the delivery of oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products. It also stimulates the release of endorphins, which elevate mood and reduce stress. Exercise has been shown to enhance cognitive abilities such as attention, memory, and problem-solving skills. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise each week, along with strength training activities. By making exercise a regular part of your routine, you can boost brain health, improve mental clarity, and enhance your chances of achieving success. Number 3. Healthy diet. Maintaining a healthy diet is vital for optimizing brain function and overall well-being. A nutritious diet provides the necessary nutrients for optimal brain health and cognitive performance. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, nuts, and seeds support brain health. Antioxidants from fruits and vegetables help protect the brain from oxidative stress. Limit processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats, as they can negatively impact cognitive function. By nourishing your body with a balanced and nutrient-rich diet, you can support brain health and enhance your chances of achieving success. Number 4. Stress management. Effective stress management is essential for maintaining optimal brain function and promoting overall well-being. Chronic stress can impair cognitive abilities and negatively impact mental health. Adopting stress management techniques such as regular exercise, mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, and engaging in hobbies or activities you enjoy can help reduce stress levels. Taking breaks, setting boundaries, and prioritizing self-care are also important for managing stress. Building a support system and seeking social connections can provide emotional support during challenging times. By incorporating these strategies into your life, you can better manage stress, enhance mental well-being, and increase your chances of achieving success. Number 5. Productivity techniques. Productivity techniques are effective strategies for maximizing efficiency and achieving success. The Pomodoro technique, which involves working in focused bursts with short breaks, can help improve concentration and prevent burnout. Prioritizing tasks using the Eisenhower matrix based on urgency and importance allows for better time management and decision-making. Utilizing task management tools or apps helps organize and track progress. Breaking down complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps enhances productivity. By adopting productivity techniques, individuals can optimize their workflow, increase productivity, and accomplish their goals more effectively. And number 6, social connections. Nurturing social connections is crucial for overall well-being and success. Positive social interactions and meaningful relationships provide emotional support, reduce stress, and enhance mental health. Engaging in social activities and maintaining a supportive network can foster personal growth and provide opportunities for collaboration and learning. Connecting with others who share similar interests or goals can offer valuable insights and support in achieving success. Building and sustaining social connections helps combat feelings of isolation and promotes a sense of belonging, ultimately contributing to a happier and more fulfilling life. But this is the key: goal setting and planning are key strategies for achieving success. By establishing clear goals, you provide yourself with a sense of direction and purpose. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps to make them more manageable and achievable. Creating a structured plan with deadlines and milestones helps you stay organized and on track. Regularly review and adjust your goals and plans to adapt to changing circumstances. Goal setting and planning provide clarity, motivation, and a roadmap for success. By incorporating these strategies into your lifestyle, you can optimize your brain's performance, promote overall well-being, and increase your chances of achieving success. Remember that consistency and perseverance are key, as these changes may take time to yield noticeable results. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share. We have many more exciting videos coming. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to let us know. We're always eager to explore new ideas and cater to the interests of our viewers. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.